everybody. Today I'm using ARTEZA pouring acrylics and doing a flip and drag with a silver gray background instead of a white background. And the colors that I'm going to use are metallic wine red, black, brilliant red, and white. So let me put some gloves on. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's finally like breathable weather here. It's in the 40s today, which is warm. When it hits 40s here, people put on shorts and tank tops because it's like a heat wave. All right, so I'm gonna start with a little white. Not a whole lot of black. You can hear the moan of I'm almost gone. Come on. Oh. I'm trying to stir this up a bit. Probably should have painted this gray beforehand, but I can always touch up the sides after if too much white shows through, which it's likely to happen. Very likely to happen, in fact. Drama. Looks very dramatic. Yeah, maybe I won't touch up the sides because the colors are gonna do it for me. Ooh, this is pretty. Now, where'd that silver gray go? It's only in little areas. Ah, yeah, I'll have to touch it up afterwards because I'm gonna ruin it if I do it now. so I can grab the camera. I really like it. It's pretty dramatic looking. Love this area. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.